and pinwheel, and turn left into overhand weave lockout, and right side lockout, and left side lockout, and right side lockout, left side lockout, and turn back up into the pinwheel with the lockout again, and now with the extension, and extension again, and extension again, and now this next time we're going to do a big 360 all the way around in the extension, coming back up into the pinwheel. So extension, 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 and come around 360 all the way back around into pinwheel, and then come down, spiral in front, spiral the other way, spiral again, spiral to the right side, turn left to overhand weave 360, right hand turn 360, and cap opposite cap in same direction but split time, and then come into together time, or same time, sorry. Turn to the right to underhand, same version. And now we're going to split the timing. And back to together. And sweep over the top, sweep back, sweep over the top, sweep back, sweep over the top, sweep back. Now 2 paddle flower on the right, vertical. And again, and again. One more time. And now the horizontal version. 3, and last one, and now 4 petal flower, and one more time, and now turning to overhand on the left side, so overhand 4 petal, and now 2 petal vertical, and third set, and fourth set, now 2 petal horizontal, 3, and 4, and then turn to the right, lockout, pinwheel, lockout, pinwheel, lockout, pinwheel, Jedi stall in front, reverse again, reverse one more time, turn right to overhand weave, stall the right between the leg, come into butterfly in the front, butterfly turn around to the left, butterfly turn around to the right, come back to the front, stall right, overhand weave, and take your right poi, stall it behind, and pinwheel, and come around the head back into overhand weave. So the right poi is going to come back behind, stall on the opposite side of the head. And so if you need to see that, we're in the weave, like, because it's not a good view, like this, we're in the weave, we stall the right one behind, and it comes around behind the head, and we go back into the weave like that. So weave, stall the right behind, come behind the head into overhand weave again, and sweep back to underhand weave. And we're going to come up to pinwheel one more time, and together time, and down and stall left, and up and down and stall right with a step, and up and down and stall left with a step, and up and down and stall right with a step. Now add the kick to the left with a stall, and add the kick to the right with a stall, and add the kick to the left with a stall, and add the kick to the right with a stall. And now come up into clockwise pinwheel, split the time, lockout and lockout. Now we're going to do the lockout with the barrel roll turn. So 2 pedal behind, back to front, and then back to pinwheel. So lockout, barrel roll, back to lockout, back to pinwheel. Lockout, barrel roll, lockout, pinwheel. Lockout, barrel roll, lockout, pinwheel. Turn right to overhand weave. And we're going to stall right again, come behind the head, back into overhand weave, and then stall the right between the leg, both arms, stall, come around the head right, come around the head left, pendulum right around the head, pendulum left around the head, and long arm Mickey Mouse on the side facing left. And then we're going to come into opposite direction, left over, right under, because this is one I saw you do, and then do the anti-spin 4 petal flower, and then cap, so same time, opposite direction, and then back to the 4 petal anti-spin flower, and then cap, and then back to the 4 petal anti-spin flower, and then cap, 4 petal anti-spin, cap, 4 petal anti-spin, and then we'll hybrid, so the right arm will do the extension, left arm will do the anti-spin, and then stall the right, come into overhand weave, turn 360 to the right, and then 360 to the left, and 360 to the right again, 360 to the left again. Now do a 720 to the left, 1, 2, and then a 720 to the right, 1 and 2. Come into overhand weave. Stall the left between the leg. Come to butterfly on the right. Turn and tap and stall. Back to butterfly. Turn and tap. Stall to butterfly. Turn and tap. Stall to butterfly. Turn and tap. Stall to butterfly. Oopsie. Angel. 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 Double stall out. Pendulum behind the head. Right and left and right and left. And now we're going to Mickey Mouse to the right from the extension. And then when the right hand is behind, so at this point, and the left is in front, you're going to come down into your 4-petal anti-spin. And then your reversal to your cap. And then your 4-petal anti-spin. And your reversal to your cap. And your 4-petal anti-spin. And then your reversal to your cap. And then back to the 4-petal anti-spin. Come to the front. And stack the circle, stack the circle, stack the circle, stack the circle, and then anti-spin on the front, and then back to stack circle, stack circle. Sorry, that's not the stack circle. Stack circle. I was doing a cap on one side. Okay, and then to overhand thread the needle, and then take out right underneath the left armpit, and take out left underneath the right armpit, and then do the opposite crosser, whichever hand on top you prefer. And to the overhand thread the needle, plane shift it up over the head, tap your left poi on your backside, come into clockwise either 4-beat corkscrew or 2-beat corkscrew. And then we're going to wrap it up into short poi, and then come into inside plane, separate it, inside, separate it, inside, separate it, turn from inside, turning clockwise with it, and then anti-clockwise with it, and then open and close, open and close, open and close, and turn right with it. And then we're going to extend it to big, plane shift it up, and then we're going to spiral it around the hand, grab the poi, and voila. I don't know if I did it in overhand or underhand, but it's the same basic concept. You just switch which hands move when. So if you're doing your left hand on top, then what's going to happen is you're going to come around the right side of the body in an extension with both poi at the same time. Yes, and then you're going to come around the left side with an extension, and then the right side, and then the left side, and the right side, and the left side. And what I made the mistake and did was I was doing the cap. So I was doing the extension, but then instead of doing in spin, so instead of both of them going in spin, like this, I was doing one of them an anti-spin while one of them was an in spin. So that's just another nice variation to play with as well. Yay!